Hello, in front of me I've got Throne and Liberty. In this video I'll show you how to find fish for the World of Cooking Appendix. In order to finish this side quest, we have to cook, for example, last dance style fish stew. You can fish it by catching silver anchovy, pink cod, Thailand morel L, and banded butterfly fish. Those fishes can be found right here. To catch them, start fishing on the shore. Once you've got all the fishes, cook the meal. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.